Description: a daily shampoo for all hair types, especially fine to normal. Benefits: selected to enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair's natural moisture balance while providing vibrant shine. Suggested use: wet hair, apply desired amount, lather, rinse and follow with daily conditioner. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Clean ingredients, natural fragrances. Paraben, sodium chloride, gluten, and soy-free. Sulfate-free cleansing. Loma therapy consists of essential oil-based fragrances, natural aroma ingredients, aromatic botanical extracts. Top reviews from the United States. It cleans. This product is excellent. It doesn't have ingredients that stay in your hair, that is why I purchased it. It leaves your hair with a fresh, clean feeling and scent. I got a super value because it was on sale and I signed up for the auto ship, so essentially I got it very inexpensive.